Hello everyone and welcome to our series of Learn Luganda with Kamulegeya Ben. And today we're going to look at a very important aspect, which is expressing feelings. How you can express your feelings to others. For example, love, hatred, or anger. So let's start. I love you. I love you. Nkwagala. 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 I love you is nkwagala. I miss you. I miss you. Nkusubwa. 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 I miss you is nkusubwa. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. Njagala kukuwasa. Njagala kukuwasa. I want to marry you is njagala kukuwasa. I miss you. I miss you. Nkusubwa. Nkusubwa. I miss you is nkusubwa. I hate you. I hate you. Nkuchaye. 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 I need you. I need you. Nkwetaaga. Nkwetaaga. Kwetaaga. I need you is nkwetaaga. Thank you very much for watching, and we're going to further continue with this series of expressing feelings to others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Wherever.